What's up guys? So in today's video I wanted to show you a new AI assistant for WordPress that I've created. And this assistant can basically do anything I can do with my WordPress site, but 100 times faster and better. It can write code, it can write content, it has access to my database, it can write CLI commands, it can inspect my themes, my plugins. It can do anything for me. It can even schedule actions or cron jobs or anything like this. It's awesome. And it also has a library of all kinds of helper agents in there. So it's super interesting. So in order to give you a preview of it, I've set up an example. So here's a Google Tag Manager snippet, and I want to integrate this into my WordPress site by the help of the assistant. So here's the UI of the assistant, and I can ask it anything to do here. So it's connected to my WordPress site on a subdomain, chat.mydomain, and here I can ask it, hello, can you please install a plugin that helps to integrate Google Tag Manager. So I ask it to find a plugin. It's going to search. It can run a command, as you can see. And here it found a plugin. The most popular is GTM for WP. And for safety reasons, it's first going to create a snapshot of the database and the code on my server before it makes changes. It's programmed to do this. So now it's creating this snapshot. I can also roll back it later if I want to. Give it a few seconds. Okay, perfect. It created a snapshot on this location, and now it's going to install GTM for WP. Excellent, the Google Tag Manager plugin has been successfully installed. Okay, great. So no plugins before. Here is the Google Tag Manager, but I still have to insert my Google Tag Manager ID, which is this one. But I'm not going to do it myself. I'm going to ask the assistant to do it for me. So I hope it can figure it out. Can you please set the tag ID in this plugin for me? Here is my ID. Let's see what it can do. I'll configure the GTM for WP plugin with your Google Tag Manager ID. I haven't tested this before, so let's see what it's capable of. Let me check the plugin's code to understand how it stores settings. So as you can see, this agent can really do anything. It can inspect code. It can also debug your code. You can give it errors or anything. It can build themes. It can build plugins. It can do anything you could do, but then faster and straight into production. So by the use of backups and snapshots, it is even safe. Perfect, now I understand the plugin option structure. Let me set the GTM ID. Let me check what the current option value is. The option doesn't exist yet. Let me create it with proper structure. Perfect, let me verify the GTM ID has been set correctly. Excellent, the Google Tag Manager ID has been successfully configured. Okay, container ID here. GTM code will now automatically be injected. Let's see. So before there was no ID here, and here you can see it set it for me. So can you imagine all the other use cases you can do with this? So it's WordPress hosting with an AI integrated, that has access over all your files, all your databases. It can search the internet, it can write articles for you, it can do research, you name it. And it has a library of helping agents and slash commands, and they are growing every day. So I'm very excited about this. I hope you are too. Please let me know in the comments if you have suggestions or if you also want to use it. If you like this video, of course, like and subscribe. Okay, have a nice day. Bye.